Today we're doing a project based on Eric Carle's book, The Grouchy Ladybug. We're going to make our own ladybug. For this project you will need a sheet of paper that's 8.5 inches by 11 inches and unlined white paper. You're going to need a pencil and an eraser, the rainbow colors of a box of crayons, and a black marker. We're going to begin by, and a circle template. If you don't have a template, you can use a can top or a roll of tape. A roll of tape works. That's like a masking tape size roll, or a can top, depending on how big you want your ladybug to be. I'm going to put my ladybug about in the middle of my paper, and I'm going to trace around my pattern, my template, to make the body of the ladybug. Can you see that? I'll trace around it for you with my marker so that you can see it better. In the middle of my ladybug, I'm going to make the letter Y. Do you see the letter Y? There you go. Then at the bottom of the Y, I'm going to make a half circle. That's going to be the ladybug's head. I'm going to put a little dot here and a little dot here and a bigger circle around it. They're the ladybug's eyes. I'm going to put the letter L, L, L. A ladybug is an insect, and an insect has 6 legs. So we've put 6 legs on our ladybug. A ladybug has spots, so I'm going to draw big spots on my ladybug. How many spots do you want on your ladybug? There we go. A ladybug has antenna at the top of his head, so we're going to put our antenna on our ladybug. Ladybugs, a lot of them, like leaves and trees. I'm going to put a great big rainbow shape on one side, and I'm going to put a great big rainbow shape on the other side. That's going to be the leaf that our ladybug is sitting on. And I'm going to put a line right down the middle that would be the center of our leaf. I'm finished with all of that. If there are any lines that you want to erase, that's great. You can erase them right now before we color. I've seen ladybugs that are red, yellow. I've seen ladybugs that are orange. Those are the colors that I've seen. I'm going to make mine red. Many people think that ladybugs are a sign of good fortune or good luck. I'm just going to color this in red. A ladybug's head is black. Color in the best that you can, and if you can go just in one direction, that would be great till it's colored in. I'm going to color my leaf I'm going to color in his face. I'm going to color the leaf that he's on green, but your leaf could be yellow, your leaf could be orange, whatever color you would like. I've seen leaves those colors. So I've got my green crayon. I'm going to color my leaf green. How are you doing with your coloring? Good. Try to go one direction while you color instead of scribble scrabble. Scribble scrabble has its place, but I'm not sure it's right here. Okay, so there's my leaf, and the leaf is in the sky. Today I'm going to color my sky blue. This might be purple. If it's purple, that's okay too. I'm fine with that. I don't have enough open. I need to open it up. Oh well, we'll make this work. So now we're going to color the sky. Ta-da! Here's our not-so-Grouchy ladybug. Here's our not-so-Grouchy ladybug. Hope you enjoyed this project. I can't wait to see yours. See you later.